सलाम हो गए माशाल्लाह सलाम का
What is the man saying? What is he saying?
Australia. So, where are you going? How many days you need to pay? No, no. So it's not difficult for you to climb on this mountain?
Yes, a little bit.
Little bit.
Not easy.
Not.
It's
Very
harder for me to sit in a car. More difficult. This video, you can look on your channel from Australia.
So what about Buner?
Yes.
Good, beautiful.
Beautiful, yes.
You like?
Yeah, lots of marble.
So what's your message to the rest of the world about Buner, Khyber and Pakistan?
Yes, Pakistan, beautiful place, beautiful people.
Peaceful place.
Peaceful place, yes.
You liked it.
Yes.
You 1 minute. You visit Chatral, Swat,
Yes.
Malakand and Buner.
Yes.
So you like which district?
Hamza.
Hunza.
Yes.
You like Hunza?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.